Okay, let's do it here again, like from the half guard here, and you go for the deep half guard again. Okay, the same thing we did before. The frame go there, and I'm still like back now to 50. From here you can choose. Yeah, the technique we did before is one is I go more low than this and focus only that leg. Yeah, the technique we did before. Okay, now you start attack more that leg. Okay, so now I don't go too deep. I start move to that side, but have some people he's put like the weight in that leg. This is what happened when I move. Yeah, so I don't move him. Now he's put all the weight. Now I cannot manipulate this, but this become light. Okay, and that leg I go control this. I start to lift and see how I can lift him because the weight is here. Okay, I need to keep that weight. And so I put my knee inside. I keep control that leg. And now what I do, I bring close to me and use that leg to move him. And I just do this. Control, sweep from here. Okay? Let it go here. And see how I still like have the pressure and that leg. My shoulder is still here. I still have the pressure. If I want to go past the guard, I want to trap that knee. Okay, I just trap that knee. And now I have the half guard or even side passing. Again, go here, you go for deep, you stop here, one, yeah? If you want to go just for the leg the way you did before, I focus only that leg. But now, we go focus on that leg. It's sometimes like, for example, he smash me, put here. When I start to move him, if we control seguro forte, if he's like just try catch me like this and move, sometimes I just move that way, yeah? It's easy. But what he's do for don't do this is put the weight on that knee. And when I move on the leg go, no, I not go that anymore. So now I need to control that leg, catch here. I start to lift and put my knee inside. I do like that hook. See how I control here? Okay, I go this. So here I start catch, kick, go. Here, under. Go deep. I start move to that side. It's the leg come. You see how I already move this? More I move my hip to that side, more is to catch that leg. Yeah. Sometimes too far you say, oh, I cannot catch. But remember, his weight is here, so it's easy to move this and catch the leg until you pass your hips. And when you have the hips, now you start to lift and put your knee here. Okay. So it's depending on for some time, like he's put so much the weight for that side. And don't move that way, you can start like kick to that side, yeah? And you go like normal X guard sweep. Now if you keep like that way, you move him and take that way. If you start move too much this or don't give this, you can start move his leg and go for the X. Go that one again. Go here, go kick, and I already move him. Catch that leg. I go this. When I start do this, he's put the weight all here, it become more difficult, and now I start kick to that side. And see, I still have like the X here. I start kick him, put the foot, stand up, go there. Okay? The same idea, no. What technique you do? Oh, I go stand up, I go the front. It depends how he's put the weight. So this is important. Train both way to see the difference and feel when he's there, when he's here. And of course, from that have different variation too. But the more simple one, the more a guy do it, is already put way too much there or here. Okay? So let's change the partner. Let's do it.